Now we are going to learn the Rutherford's model of atom. Rutherford has incident the alpha particles on the gold foil, and based on the scattering of those particles, he has concluded and formed this model. On the basis of results of alpha particle scattering experiments, Rutherford proposed the following model of the structure of atom. Atom may be regarded as a sphere of radius 10 power minus 10 meter, nearly 1 angstrom, and nucleus of radius is of the order of 10 power minus 15 meter, that is 1 Fermi. The second thing is this: the nucleus is surrounded by electrons. So at the center, this is the nucleus. Nucleus is containing the positive charge particles, and around it there are electrons. Rutherford assumed that the electrons are revolving around the nucleus in circular orbits, and their radius may be any. They are having all possible radii. The necessary centripetal force for the movement of these electrons are provided by the force of attraction that is between the nucleus and these charged particles, that is the electrostatic force of attraction between the electrons and the nucleus. And the last one is that the atom is electrically neutral, as the total number of the positive charge on the nucleus that is equal to the negative charge of the electrons within it. So it sums up the Rutherford's model of atom. Rutherford's model of atom has great achievement, as this Rutherford's atomic model is well supported by the periodic table of elements. Though Rutherford's model was successful to great extent, it is able to tell how much is the order of the size of an atom, about the size of the nucleus, and also it is supported by the periodic table of elements. But still, it suffers two major drawbacks that it is not able to explain. There are the limitations of Rutherford's atom model. One of them is regarding the stability of atom. Actually, uh, electromagnetic theory about an accelerated charged particle mention that it must radiate the electromagnetic energy. So, electron that is revolving around the nucleus, it is continuously accelerating towards the center, and it should continuously, according to EM theory, lose energy and move in the orbits, gradually decreasing the radius. And in this way, the electron will follow a spiral path and finally it will collapse within the nucleus. But this is not happening. Electron is stable and it is revolving around the nucleus. So Rutherford is not able to explain the stability of an atom where electrons are revolving around the nucleus in a stable orbits. The second limitation or the drawback of Rutherford's atomic model is that, according to this model, an electron can revolve in orbits of all possible radius. If this is the condition, we will have a continuous spectrum. But for example, if we take hydrogen, it is having a single electron. For that single electron, we will be having, because it can move in all possible radius, so it will have a continuous spectrum. But in case of hydrogen, there is a discrete, a single valued line spectrum is there. So Rutherford is not able to explain this concept of discrete line spectrum. According to him, there should be the continuous spectrum because of the possible radius or the orbits of the movement of electrons.